To succeed in business, you need to understand what your high-value markets are searching for in terms of product, services, and on key topics of interest to the communities you want to develop. I found some search tools that are free and very effective at finding out what people are searching for in your industry. This is Google Trends. And what you do is you can enter a topic that you want to analyze. So let's say digital marketing. And as I go through it, it asks me if I want to have a search term or a topic. And so I'll look at it as a topic. And what it's going to do is it analyze interest over time in my search term. It gives me the geographical area by subregion or region that I can analyze. It also does it globally. I can also look for related topics and related queries. Where this becomes very powerful is I can now compare it. So let's look at social marketing. And I can do that as a topic. And now it will compare those two. And as you see, the digital marketing is much bigger than social marketing in terms of volume. I can now add a third and a fourth, and I can go through and I can look at it by sub-region, or I can look at it metro or city level to really get an idea of where the activities are happening throughout the world. I can also, and I look at it by digital marketing versus social marketing, so I can really get an analysis of how things are happening on a worldwide basis. I can also look at it for different times. I can also look at it on a worldwide basis or for specific countries to see how it's actually happening. So it gives you the ability to bore down into markets in terms of what they're searching for very effectively and gain some insights as to what they're looking for on social. Those are things you need to think about in terms of keywords and hashtags. This is Answer the Public, and as you see, the gentleman gets really irritated if you don't ask the public something. So let's do digital marketing. And then what it's going to do is it's going to go out, and what it's going to do is it's going to go out and analyze digital marketing in terms of the questions being asked. And you can download these. They're very useful. But what you have here is digital marketing in terms of questions like, what is digital marketing? Where does it occur? When does it occur? Who is doing it? And so it begins to break it down into the key things people are searching for around the term digital marketing. And again, you can download these as a CSV file or save the image. You can also see how it is done as a preposition. Digital marketing without a budget, is an interesting one. And for all of these, they're live, so you can click through to see them. And then finally, you see digital marketing and things like that to get a comparison where people are looking for comparisons of those. And so the nice part is you can really analyze a given market and a given set of search terms and get into what are people actually looking for with respect to digital marketing. And so it gives you a huge amount of information for free that you can use. And what you can do is save these off and then go ahead and use them to compare other sorts of search terms to find the ones that are best for your company. This is very useful for finding search terms, but also for developing pay-per-click campaigns using the terms that people are most likely to be searching for around topics of interest to you. And again, you can download them as a CSV to make it easy for you. Another real useful tool is BoardReader, which is a part of Social Gist, which is a major compiler of data across the social spectrum. BoardReader looks very simple, but there's a lot of sophistication to it. If I put in digital marketing and then do a search, what it's going to do is pull down all of the digital marketing conversations that have happened throughout the world today. And so I can use this to refine in on what are the volumes that are happening for a given term. I can also do advanced search, which is just like the training I showed you. It's with all the words, with the exact phrase, without the words, in a specific language, over a specific time period, in a specific set of domains, is something I can do. I can also click on the little graphic here, and if I want, I can say now, digital marketing, let's compare that to social marketing. And let's do sports marketing. And what it's going to do is for the given time period, it will plot all three. And it will actually allow me to put it out as a bar or a pie or a table showing the how many conversations are happening for each one of these topic areas. So it allows you to go in and search for different topics and see exactly what people are using and demanding when they are looking for things on search.